One of the beauties of IKEA products is that their simple design also makes them endlessly versatile. While IKEA makes quite a few products specifically designed to house your shoes, they also carry lots of other products intended for other uses that can be pressed into service as shoe storage with just a little ingenuity. 1. The only thing you need is Rationale Ververa Pot Lid Organizer. This organizer will display your favorite shoes so perfectly that no one will guess it was made for pot holders. Plus, there's no hammering, gluing, or sanding involved. 2. IKEA's Billy Bookcase is great for your shoes, and pretty much everything else in your closet too. You can add doors to protect her extensive collection of shoes. This is very amazing, right? 3. IKEA's Riba Picture Ledge has been replaced by the very similar Moss Landa. Both are equally perfect for storing and displaying treasured footwear. In this image, the ledges are shown mounted upside down. 4. This kitchen towel rail is also perfect for holding high heels. As for my high heels, I bought several of the IKEA Beijen rail which are meant for kitchen towels that I spray painted in gold for a more glamorous look. For only 100 NOK, I got a new shoe rack that I'm very pleased with. 5. The lack wall shelf unit is a great option for those who don't have quite as many, as seen in this image from IKEA. I really like this one idea because it's simple and easy to practice. 6. This wall-mounted shoe organizer system shows how to keep shoes on the wall and off the floor. Bonus, it'll save you tons of floor space. Besides, lining them up on the wall makes it so easy to pick the right pair to go with your outfit. Rails for heels and boxes for flats. 7. This Grunz towel rail and hooks, designed for hanging spatulas and measuring spoons, is also handy for adding a little extra shoe storage, in this case on the back of a door. Really brilliant idea, right? 8. IKEA's ubiquitous Expedit shelving, now reborn as the Kallax, is also a great way to organize shoes. The blogger from The Order Obsessed turned a couple of them into a shoe-filled headboard. 9. Sometimes the best ideas are right in front of us. It's just a matter of looking at things from another perspective. Here, the Factum kitchen cabinet is flipped on its side and transformed into a one-of-a-kind IKEA shoe storage. You could also achieve the same with Sektion or Metod kitchen cabinets. 10. This little guy, perhaps the most versatile IKEA product of them all, is happy to hold your shoes. Perfect for an entryway, or pretty much anywhere you've got a lot of extra footwear knocking about. And those are some ideas for making shoes storage from IKEA products. You can try to do this IKEA hack idea at home. Which one is your favorite?